Back. So today I'm going to show you how to delete a comment on your post. You made a post and someone comments there and you want to delete the post immediately the person posted. How do you go about it? So let me I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So this is my Twitter account. I'm going to open the app. So when you open the app, this is here what is going. This is what is on my app. So what you need to do is come to this your profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you're going to see post, and this is my currently post now, and there's nobody there comment on it already. So if I wanted to delete any comment, you come to this sorry guys, you come to this your tree line, click on your tree line here, and you're going to see delete post or delete comment. So if there's any comment there, you're going to see the option here, but because there's no any comments here, there's any comments on your post, you can see delete comment here. Sorry guys, so just click on delete comment to be able to delete the comment. So guys, find this video helpful, smash the like button, share and comment.